I'm gonna start recording now.
Hello, gentlemen and ladies of YouTube. Yes. We've come to bring to you towards this video. Yes. Yes. The latest update of Minecraft, the development version.
Pre-release.
Yes.
Who's our guinea pig today?
Our guinea pig today is Bikeboy123, also
Yeah.
known as Aaron. We were just
Hello.
doing a video before. Hello there, Aaron.
Hello.
We're about to test out the new zombie AI. I have devised this maze, which has burned down about 10 times already. And Aaron first is just going to show us how to get through the maze, which he is going to fail at. So let's watch.
So, our plan is to not go into a dead end like I just did, and yeah. So, I'm just gonna run this way, and then I believe it's this way. You take a right, and you just follow this path. You take a left, you jump, and you just keep on following this, and then take a left, and then you get to here, which will have a switch at the end that will close the glass.
In turn, making the zombie stop moving.
Yeah.
Alright. So go to the start of the maze again.
Okay. Yeah.
Now he has to go backwards through it all.
Yeah.
Oh hey, what do you know?
Oh wait, before we
Wait, no,
start,
no.
Aaron, would you like to read off the new updates for this development?
Yes. Number one is ladders regain their collision box, so you can stand on top of the ladders now. And vines are now climbable if they're on a solid block behind them. And they also added a jungle biome, as you see over there.
I'm climbing vines right now.
That that requires a new world.
I am
download.
the true monkey.
Hey, no interrupting.
And they also add new logs and new leaves to them, but no new saplings, sadly. They updated the language files a little, and now dispensers now they don't drop the mob eggs no more. They actually plant the zombies. That's what we're using right now.
Yep.
And zombies have a new path of finding AI. Basically, they got an update on them. And wolves are now breathable with beef when they're tamed, of course. And that's all.
Okay. So let's start it.
You also forgot one more thing. The puppies come out tamed.
Oh yeah.
Do
And
they?
they're
Yeah, the puppies do come out tamed. It's awesome.
Alright, let's start
Ready to
this.
start?
Ready,
Alright.
set,
Yeah.
go.
oh god. Oh god. I made that mistake before.
The zombies look really confused.
Yeah, they're stuck. They're trying to move through the glass. So much lag. Don't tease the zombie. What if he gets free?
There we go.
There we go. Run, bike boy, run!
Oh no. Oh god.
I got a nice close-up view.
Let's see how he works under
Way about
pressure.
to fail.
Oh
I
god.
think we should cheat with the zombies. You know, give them a little shortcut.
Oh no, they're stuck. Oh wait, okay, they're fighting. No, dude.
Alright, oh, there they go,
Oh,
there they go. Run! Run, bike boy. Oh my god, how did these two zombies get up here out of nowhere?
Here, let's.
Really, that's kind of surprising. Just look at these. These two just got up here somehow. Oh.
And they have followed him to the finish,
Alright, let's see.
which then he will promptly close that piston and.
Oh. I got
Stay piston, and it is closed. Oh hey, I forgot about the sign down there.
Now how am I gonna get out?
Here. You're not supposed to. Let's plant some TNT and just have some fun with it.
No, let's not. Let's just make it really difficult.
Oh shit.
Did the thing just open on him?
No, I think you
And I'm
opened it,
dead.
and you're dead. And that's the end of our
Zombie.
challenge.
Zombie's just staring at me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tune in for the next weekly update of this Minecraft, because this development version updates like weekly. So I'm sure the next one will be just as interesting. Maybe we'll add
Hey
monkeys.
Liam, this zombie's going after you.
Clearly he wants to kill me.
Bike boy.
Yep. And we got our biome here. We'll show breeding puppies later. We destroyed that by accident. Everything was an accident.
Yeah. Oh,
Climbing
two zombies came
vines.
onto the AI.
Monkey!
How are they getting up there? Oh, I see. There is a Stefan,
Yeah,
you
I
asshole.
made that there earlier.
Oh, okay. I thought
They're
Stefan
gonna
did that.
kill you.
All right, bye bye. Oops. Wolf breeding. Yeah. Puppies, puppies. Yes, yes. He's so cute.
Alright, psst. You hear a voice from the next cell. Are you okay, Max? Max? They are holding your family in the main fortress. You need to get out of here and save them from certain doom. Our village was attacked. You were knocked unconscious and were brought here. As you scan the cold, dark room, you see a different shade of material on the stone wall. You dig. Dig in! Dig in!